Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the place where we simplify tech for everyone. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network but don't have the password, you're in the right place. Today we're showing you a few legal and ethical methods to connect to Wi-Fi without needing the password. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our tech tips and tricks. Let's get started. First up, we have the WPS method. WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup is a feature available on many routers and devices, allowing them to connect to each other by pressing a button or entering a PIN. Find the WPS button on the router. It's usually labeled WPS and might be located on the back or bottom of the device. Press and hold the WPS button for a few seconds. You'll see a light start blinking. Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings, select the network you want to join, and it should connect automatically without needing a password. Remember, the connection must be made within a few minutes of pressing the WPS button. Next is WPS PIN method. Some devices allow you to connect using a WPS PIN instead. You can find this PIN in your router settings page. Enter this PIN when prompted on your device to establish the connection. Moving on, there is always the QR code method. Some modern routers allow you to connect to the Wi-Fi by scanning a QR code. This scan can usually be found on the router itself or in the router's web interface. Or you can simply scan the QR code with your device's camera from the friend's QR code, and you'll be prompted to join the network without needing to enter a password. And finally, we have the sharing feature available on both Android and iOS devices. And there you have it, folks, some lethal and ethical way to connect to a Wi-Fi network without needing the password. Remember, it's important to always respect privacy and never access networks without permission. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.